This is the property. This is the entrance. And we're gonna go inside. And this is the kubo where we're staying. And this is Marla's house right there on the side. And you see here, this is banana from the property. There's abundance of banana here. We're coming in here in the kitchen. And this is the washroom that we're building. So this is the toilet area right here, and the laundry area, and this is the shower area. And the property goes from here. We do have a running water here. As you can see, there's a running water. And it's flowing. So that water is free. When you come here, so this is the house that we're going to renovate. This is the house. And we're gonna go over here. You see, this is fruit. It's called chasa fruit. And that's part of the property. And here we're gonna go down to the field, rice field. And this is star apple tree. This bat. Hey, Eleanor, why are you here? So this is the neighbor's cow. They just come and they graze in the land. This is the rice field from here all the way here and going up there. Look at, we have a lot of papayas. This is papaya. Hello.
Okay.
Anong ginagawa nyo?
Yung daanan yung tubig, yun eh?
Daanan ng tubig.
Opo.
Papuntang.
Doon sa pan. Sa taniman dyan sa baba.
This is making path for the water. Saan pupunta yung tubig?
Ay, doon sa atin, sa pan. Tinataniman ko ng pan. Palay.
Palay.
Opo.
Dito lahat dumadaan yung tubig.
Opo.
Hello, sir.
Sige.
Mga po ate.
So dito pataas.
Malapit lang dyan ate. Shortcut kasi yan.
Ha?
Shortcut kasi.
Shortcut? Okay. Oh, where was that?
Snake?
There's a lot of main trees. I don't know what those trees. Mango trees. Now we're back to the path. Hi, hello. Natapos nyo?
Oo nga.
So they're finished. Let's see.
Oh, very deep.
Deep?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of things you can get all these rocks.
Huh.
This is for our septic, for bathroom. So these are the guys that dug this dude. Neighbor. I think that's his son. Good job. Good job. This is another house that we're going to fix. But for the meantime, this is where we're gonna house our workers. This is their barracks. And there's more papaya. And that is more bananas. More bananas and more papayas up there. Oh, it's getting bright. So this is the main road, the community road, and we're heading home. And this is part of the property here. And there, here. So this is our neighbor's house. Okay, so we're back to the property.